Hi Panthers, it's Hawkins. Don't mind me, just a little bit of career day dress up. This video is about to give you some information about SWOP's participation in the Big Reno Coat Drive. You got this blue flyer in your mailbox recently. Thank you in advance for hanging it up and for talking with your advisory students about this. We are participating in the coat drive, and we only have about a week and a half to do this. Just I think 7 school days. So we are going to do a class contest, and you are going to do a little bit of data keeping. And let me show you how we're going to do that. So you're going to open up the SWOP broadcasting team. Thank you so much, Ms. Nissen, for putting this together. It's really awesome. And I've added a tab at the top of this called the Coat Drive Contest. So you're just going to click on that tab, and you're going to open it. And once it does open, I have all of the names of the teachers who have an advisory class. If I misspelled your name, please let me know and I will fix it on there. I just used the phone list to do it. But as soon as you open it, you will see the dates that we will be collecting jackets. Reminder, and it says on here, the jackets need to be brand new with tags on. So when kids bring in jackets, please make sure that you are checking that they are brand new, they have tags, that the coats are clean. The size does not matter. These will be dispersed to students in need throughout the Washoe County School District. So again, thank you so much for participating and supporting our community. So when a kid brings in a jacket, let's say I hit it really hard and I have 3 kids bring in brand new clean jackets with tags on Monday. So I'm going to put just very simple, just put a 3 in that Monday column when it goes. Try again. There we go. And then it's going to auto update over there on the right on the total date. And that's going to make my life a little bit easier with figuring out who ends up winning. And then after election day, the kids come back and nobody remembers. So I've got 0 on Wednesday, and then I have 4 kids bring in coats on Thursday. And then I've got that total of 7, and you get it. It just auto updates whenever you put the things in. Please, when kids come in and bring you coats, take a moment and update this, whether you're writing yourself a little sticky note and you update it at the end of the day, or you update it right there in the moment. It just makes sure that all the kids who bring in coats get credit for it. And as soon as they have brought in a coat and you've checked that it's clean and brand new and has tags, then go ahead and send that kiddo down to the front office, and that's where our big collection bin is going to be. Like I said, we only have 7 school days to get this done and get all of these coats collected. It's going to be a really fantastic thing for us, and it's a really great way for our kids to help their Washoe County School District community. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Oh, one more thing. Okay, so I know that a lot of kids are probably going to be asking, because my 6th graders always want to know what the prize is, and student leadership has decided that it will be one of 3 things. It will either be a pizza party for the winning advisory, or an ice cream party for the winning advisory, or a movie class period, probably with Otter Pops for the winning advisory. So yeah. We're super excited about this. And again, thank you so much for helping the kids participate and riling up the interest in it. Go Panthers.